Changing your phone number on Google Photos is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Open Google Photos. Launch the Google Photos app on your mobile device or visit the Google Photos website on your computer. Step 2. Access settings. In the app, tap on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. On the website, click on the gear icon for settings. Step 3. Manage your Google account. Select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings where you can update personal information. Step 4. Update phone number. Navigate to the personal info section. Find the contact info area and click on phone. Here, you can add or change your phone number. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, ensure you save the changes. You may need to verify the new number through a confirmation code sent via SMS. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in Google Photos. Make sure to check that all your settings are correct.